Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends to get rewarded on the Sweatcoin application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sweatcoin app on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, after you have logged in, tap on the home button and you will now see the invite friends option. You may also see the invite friends and win big option, which you can click on to invite friends. Now you can share your invite link by copying and sending the link, or you can use various one of the applications on your device directly. After you have sent your invite, they will simply need to tap on this link to install the application, and once their sign up is complete, your reward will be given to you right away. You can also find the same option within the social tab, from which you can copy and share your personal invite link. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite friends and get rewarded on the Sweatcoin application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.